Hello kids, hope that you all are fine and busy in your maths work. I R.K. Tiwari welcome you all on this study platform of Divine Public School. Today we will learn more about fractions and its property. So let us see fun with fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. For example, 4 by 6. The number above the line is called numerator. It indicates the number of equal parts considered. The line is called the fractional bar. The number below the fraction bar is called denominator. It indicates the total number of equal parts of the whole is divided. Dear students, while writing this number in words, we have to write 4 6. A fraction is also a part of a set. Here you can see there are 9 balls, 7 are blue and 2 is green. Here we can say 2/9 of the balls are green. Now let us learn types of fractions. Like fraction. Fraction with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 9, 7 by 9, 4 by 9 and so on. Unlike fractions. Fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. In this example, 2 by 8, 5 by 9, 4 by 7 and so on, having the different denominators. Unit fractions. Fractions with the numerator 1 are called unit fractions. For example, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 7 and so on. Proper fraction. A fraction in which denominator is greater than the numerator is called proper fraction. For example, 14 by 18, 9 by 11, 13 by 17 and so on. Improper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 6 by 6, 9 by 5, 23 by 17. These are the examples of improper fractions. Mixed fractions. When an improper fraction is written as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction or mixed numbers. For example, 5 is to 6 by 7, 2 is to 3 by 8 and so on. Look at the three circles. The first and second circles are completely colored and the half of the circle is colored. When added together, we get 2 and half. This 2 and half represents a mixed number. Here, 2 is natural number and half is the fraction. Conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient obtained is the whole number part and the remainder is the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed numeral. According to this rule, mixed fraction equal to quotient plus remainder upon divisor. Now, let us see the example. Convert 9 upon 2 into mixed fraction. To convert into a mixed number, we divide the numerator 9 by the denominator 2. After dividing, we get the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 1. So, we can write the mixed number as quotient plus remainder upon divisor. Therefore, 9 by 2 equal to 4 plus half, which is equal to 4 and half. Otherwise, we can say 4 is to 1 by 2. Conversion of mixed fraction into improper fractions. To convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction equal to natural number into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Now let us see the conversion 5 is to 3 by 9 into an improper fraction. Convert 5 is to 3 upon 9 into an improper fraction. To solve this, we have to multiply the natural number by the denominator and then add the numerator to the product to get the new numerator and write the denominator as it is. Therefore, 5 is to 3 upon 9 equal to 5 into 9 in brackets plus 3 upon 9, which is equal to 45 plus 3 upon 9, that is equal to 48 upon 9. So the students, 5 is to 3 by 9 is equal to 48 upon 9. Now dear children, I hope you enjoyed this chapter nicely and understood also. So you have to learn all the definitions of this chapter, fraction, and try to solve the maths problem. Thank you.